Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change MAC address in Windows 10. So first of all, just press start and open settings. Click on this network and internet and tap on this advanced network setting. Now you have to click on this more network adapter settings and from here tap on this respective adapter and then properties, and in properties you have to tap on this configure. Once you click on it, the following window will open. Click on the Advanced tab and then select Network Address. Select the Value Radio button and then type an acceptable value for your new MAC address in the relevant text field, like this, and then click on OK to save. Now after this, restart your PC. Now the second method is change MAC address in Windows with the registry editor. Press Windows key plus R to open run and then type and regret it and click on the OK button to open the registry. Follow this address key underscore local underscore machine backslash system backslash current control sad backslash control backslash class backslash 4D 3069722E32511C EBFC 10802B10318. This directory has several keys such as 00000001 and so on. So locate the interface you desire. You must look through all of them. Once you found the correct network adapter, right click it and choose string value from new. Create a key name network address and open it. Enter the intended MAC address and the value data area without the clone and any additional indications. And after this, just tap on OK. Disable and re-enable the interface, and now again restart your PC, and that's it. That's how you can change MAC address in Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.